Optimism may lose 9.7% by July 5 per Crypto Predictions data. First, let's get a sense of how things are moving today. Optimism has risen 3.7% over the last 24 hours and is currently trading around $0.1071. On to what the experts have projected. Coin price forecasts a move to and 11 cents by tomorrow. That's roughly 2.7% from the current price. Optimism is projected to move down towards $0.1057 per CoinLore, an expected drop of 1.3%. According to Digital Coin Price, there is potential for it to head lower to $0.1048, a loss of about 2.1%. A separate projection from Crypto Predictions highlights Optimism may move lower to $0.0967, an estimated decrease of 9.7%. Finally, Gov Capital Collector targets $0.0944 by July 5. That's a drop of 11.8%. This one stands as the top return forecast. The 5 forecasts are in. Let's go beyond that. Having looked at the predictions, here's the next layer. The aggregated outlook from all analysts suggests that the price could change between a decline of 11.8% and a rise of 2.7%, depending on the analyst. Considering all forecasts, Gov Capital Collector is at the top with 11.8% upturn in value by July 5. Reviewing the figures, you could see returns of between $13 and $118 for every $1,000 you invest. When factoring in volatility, CoinLore's forecast indicates the most likely price change with a 94% probability. With all 5 forecasts in mind, I've assembled a consensus scenario. The average forecast keeps Optimism around $0.1023. Okay, let's take a closer look. The consensus path points to a 4.4% downward shift. Accordingly, your capital would also be up by about 4.4%. A 1,000 base investment could reflect about $44 in profit. Consensus modeling suggests that the probability of this forecast materializing is 77%. To round out this part, let's see what analysts are signaling for the 3-day horizon. A gain is anticipated by Coin Price Forecast, who remains bullish. Also, CoinLore projects the price moving north in the short term. The expectation from Digital Coin Price is for Optimism to trade sideways, lacking clear momentum. Crypto Predictions expects Optimism to fall. Likewise, Gov Capital Collector forecasts Optimism moving lower. Bringing together all forecasts, the consensus shows a downward trajectory for Optimism. According to the combined views, 60% of analysts anticipate strength in Optimism. 5 sites posted forecasts 2 days ago. Now we'll check them against yesterday's numbers. As a result, the day's market action settled at $0.1071. The closing price showed that every forecast missed the mark. Strongest accuracy was shown by Traders Union. Let's map it out. Every forecast stood outside the day's move. For ROI performance, yesterday delivered red results for all. Let's switch to the summary table. It brings all results into one clear view. Gov Capital Collector's forecast probability stood at 28.4%, with $0.0171 accuracy and minus 8.8% ROI. See who managed to anticipate the move best. And now you can see how the forecasted returns for tomorrow differ among a few crypto